Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National People's Youth Front Shillong City haka khandai tarik nailar arja arpesan kala pendong yang jingelang Pynkup Burom ki Samla ki bapas bah ke Sslc barkum joru ke Hsslc haka ni si ke menteri ke tanat ke koi ke khya ke jela ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo kala long kum ke kongsan nangta working president ke Npyf uba hamlet son dot ling barkum ju unong aiktian ke parti uba HM Shangplyang nalor ki nong yalam jong ke Npyf lawan ben pen syongkon ni gejingelang na duk ki miki pa bat ki bah yeng hasam jong di Samla puli wat la gade ke sien ke baningkong ba ke Npyf ke penlong ni ke program Henry kila don pat adu kumbah nyop hongot ki Samla ki bla sya Pynkup Burom ha ni gesni haba ajingkran ha ni gesni ka kong am perinding do ke laong ba ki Samla ki de ban ken mau ba klem ke sain perthei kan om don jing im Kalaong balingba kesan perthei kan sadon ke jaka puli puthi ke jingya dia thiat bat kenu ke bangisham ke jingim shu kalaong ba ke sarkar MDA 1 bat MDA 2 kalawan ra shibun ki kampenroi la kalong ke jaka puli ke jingla ban penyo ke engineer college ke state university bat banbu ke state medical college bat ki wei kalaong baringkat kesan perthei kan sadon ke jingla ban syakri upat ba bat ke thong jong ke sarkaru kalong ban syakri upat ba Kalau ru berada ki Samla kila ban ai biang ke jingkersha ne ke Npyf kin sei I shibun ke jingkala haki babun kiliang
all the dignitaries cadres of the Npyf in their youth body principal madam and all our dear students who today once again have been recognized for their exemplary performance in the board examinations conducted through various boards in the state of Meghalaya. Andreas was just reminiscing his past performance. We sang a song for a young person who lost his way and was tempted and the biggest temptation of falling prey to drug addiction. Dear Andres, sometimes the marks that we receive in the papers are not as qualitatively evaluated in our lives. 95% marks on a board examination may not be as fulfilling as a 95% joy of life in our future lives. So Andreas, like you, there are many citizens who for various reasons were not able to mug knowledge and information adequately, have the joy of life, and today it is that joy which is the most disturbing and the most painful. I would like to quote the Bible, Zechariah 7:9. The Lord of heavenly forces proclaims, make just and faithful decisions, show kindness and compassion to each other. Every biblical or religious document professes something which is not just an evaluation of knowledge. And today, I join hands with the leader of our government, our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Samla, supported by both the Deputy Chief Ministers of Ba Preston and Ba Snelnangha, to express the government's sincerest appreciation of all of your performances. 91% pass percentage is a percentage which 2 decades ago could never seem achievable. But this government, in the leadership of the MBA both 1 and 2, has testified to the people of the state of Meghalaya that we are leaving no stone unturned to appreciate, to provide, to upgrade, and to send one message home. If you are willing to take up the challenges of your life, your government is listening and taking productive interventions to better your life. Andreas also spoke about policy. What is this policy that the people of the state of Meghalaya urgently require? Yesterday, the cabinet in the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister was pleased to revisit the syllabus of the qualifying examination pattern for the state civil services examination. We have decided in our collective wisdom to review that which was left pending and unattended to for so long. Today, all citizens of the state of Meghalaya have a level playing field where no special or alternative subject will dictate your performance in the examination. Second policy, governments have come and gone. The state is now 52 plus years. Did we have an engineering college? No. Today you have a qualified, recognized engineering college. Did the state have its own state university? No. Today the state has its own state university. Is there a shortage of doctors in our health facilities? Yes. Was there a debate and a discussion for an urgent requirement to institute a state medical college? Yes. Years flew past us, no decision. Today, we are at the fag end of the commemoration and institutionalization and commencement of our state medical college. Was primary education given the necessary correction and attention in all these years that passed by? There was willingness. There was effort put in. But today, the state has some of the best schools from pre-nursery all the way up to the graduation levels of education. Is there space for all toppers in this great competition that we've just heard and seen and witnessed just now? Yes, there is a space for all. Have we decided to reform the examinations of various employment agencies recognized by the government of Meghalaya? Was it discussed for many years? It is this government which has fulfilled the aspirations of all citizens of the state of Meghalaya. From November 2025, there will be no more scope for manipulation of examinations and results in especially the lowest level of job selection, which is DSC. This government is a government that acts. Do the people realize it? Time will tell. Are the citizens growing? Yes, we are growing. Our GDP is growing, has grown by 11% since 2011. Is the health infrastructure bettering itself? Yes, we have reduced the quality of lives of citizens. Are farmers being listened to? Yes, farmers have been heard, and we now have schemes in position to get and empower the people of the state of Meghalaya. Are entrepreneurs getting all the assistance they require from our government? Yes, we have results. We have numbers. We have investment numbers. We have individuals who have now excelled and are helping the economy of the state build. Today, we are a state that is daring to address and redress all issues brought before the purview of the government. The Npyf is a strong frontal organization in our party organization. Young people must remember that without politics, there is no life. There is politics which is political in nature. There is politics in educational systems. There is politics in marketing. There is politics practically in every sphere of life. Congratulations, the Npyf Shillong City, for this bold step that you have taken forward. Alongside the politics, we are mandated to serve the people. It is not every ambition of every member of the Npyf to contest and be involved in active politics. But in order for a political party to be given the opportunity to govern, academicians also have to evaluate their political systems around us. We are here to serve you. And to mark this commendable effort put in by the Npyf Shillong City, the Npyf of 16 East Shillong sat in an urgent meeting and has decided to give 50,000 rupees as support to the highest mark holder in both the board category examinations that today we commemorate and recognize. President may kindly get in touch with the President of 16 East. We are here to handhold our children. We are here not to give you lip service, but to assure you that we are making systems functional in this generation. You give the NPP an opportunity to continue in its governance. You will see substantial, tangible, evaluated success stories. Look at the roads, look at the water, look at the health, look at all the other social indicators. NPP is delivering its promise to the people. The people will stand to judge us. But while we go ahead, we will assure you that if there's any problem that any citizen has, we are here to hear you. It is incorrect to obscure the truth. It is incorrect to say that students do not get scholarships. Our government, in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, has made sure that we are there to attend to the need of our students. Since drugs was discussed and a song was written to talk about the problems of isolation of young people. Dear young citizens of the state of Meghalaya, you can perform, you will get marks, you have the talent, you have supporting family systems, you have a supporting government, but the devil is working in your minds. Like I said, talent is given to all. Let us resolve in this forum today to tell every young person to take a pledge that the devil shall not destroy or destruct or distract my life. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, on behalf of the Deputy Chief Ministers who are not here to laud this wonderful program, I take this opportunity to thank each and every young person in this auditorium. Thank others also who probably did not get this information, whether it is 50, 60, 90. Marks are irrelevant. Get 95 or 100% in your lives. Be happy. Money nor marks can buy happiness. The only way we can turn our backs on the temptation of drugs is to take control of our lives. With these few observations, may the state of Meghalaya grow from year to year, from decade to decade, and long live the NPP and its frontline organizations. Kubleshibon Mithila Jain.
Ms. Farida, thank you, Ms. Farida, for your presence. Thank you for your wonderful speech. I know it is short speech, but I believe it will motivate the students present in this gathering. Ngai kuplay iba Hima belong spokesperson jangka party NPP. Iba Bajok Pigro belong vice president jangka Npyf. Secretary jangka state Npyf iba pair ba Irisus Nongsit. Ngai kuplay iba Meboan Raptab belong president jangka Hsslc Npyf. Ringkat bat bro ke tim ke jongki ki bla tristom ban bit pembiang yang di program betagasgi ngai kublei ya ki kime ki pa bar kham tame ya pi ki students ki ba la pendep ya ke jeng play jongpi ka class 10 bar kamjuru ha ka class 12 tenak liang ka juki kum ka parti hi pro ka wei ngi dokumen spon ngi songu spon bar ngai ka jukublei la de ban congratulate chwa ya ka Npyf ya ka ba kalala pelong ya ka dia ka program ban Palestine la dia ban pendon Burom ya ki khon Samla ki bla pas ba hapo ka exam ka jongki ngai ku play but congratulate if baro ki Samla puli ki bla pas ba ka exam ka bershudap ka jongpi yes kem ka jing tre stom ka jongpi playo ban khat yo so jong ka jing job but ngis kem ka long ka jing kemen ya ka yang ka sem ka jongpi kajing kemen ya ka stong ka thau ya ka institution ka jongpi bat ka long ru kajing kemen ya ka party jungi ka NPP bani ba ki khon Samla jungi manta kila kham kila long kiba nak kiba start kiba shampang hakaba ngila I ya ka pas percentage ru kedai ka bala buon pha bat ngi dokumen subun ban I ya kene ka result kumba ka long manta bat kene kedai ka dak jong ka jengya chaprang ka jikia chaprang gi kum ka jala lamar ka dung du ka jai briu ka du ka jala ka damla ban kiu la dagim don di ki briu ki banang bat ki bastan pi pilong kata kalawei mo ki samla ki kalawei jongka yenga sem ka strong tha ka balang baka jala hi bro ka wei tingi ka don bha ka jingkar men hapi namar bangi I yak jing tei stom jong pi ka I jing la jong pi baka jing sampang ba ka jong pi bat ngi da songwe ru ya ka Npyf ya ka ba ka pelong ya bakom kini ki program kamne ba ki pelong tang po Sslc hindre ki pelong ki keleng ki district jong ka jala ka jongi hoi la banong kane ka jing persang jong ki kalong ka berde pinyo ya ki certificate bat ki mementos hindre kawai bang akwa ban penpau pi kalong nambar kladon ka jeng keren ke basani ne yang jong ki samla jong ki Npyf bat ngi ka parti NPP habi kwa ban pelong ya kini ki program ki bukom kini ngingim kwa ban pelong ya program tang ban sepeda berkom lani tang kata ka formalities lara ki bukom kini ki program ki long tang kum ki formalities ngangi scam kan dia ki jekdo jungi kadam long ka beran jengmon Andre hakajing kendu barki ke jeslo barngi nyong i pelong ini program da kamen sim jong ke kli bat da kajing kermen hapi bagian ai ya ketika burom ka bakraw nam ta jong pi iwe piwe ban pi yang ni baro ki somang i pilong ki badan bok sikade e namara ba ya pi ya kajing la jong pi ya kajing trace jong pi lai thu tang hayeng asem tang ka ki institution jong pi ndai lai thoru hapo ka NPP bat hak jalai borok wei ya kejala jong pi
di kasngi kaba kerbang kadai ya fiji kena school gibla ya puri ba raya pas ba but ka Hsslc and Sslc kaba kikme kikba kila pulut por bat ma bisa kiklung kikna gibla ya pulut por ya kajing puri jong pi percentage percentage ki ba pe kani kadai kasngi kaba Ningkong du baka Npyf Sslc and state baki penyat ya kani program wat num slow pair ya ki jing baka jungi kani first time ngi penyat ya kani solution program ngi panma epi da yodan kinu nu jing bakla hai ni program jungi magade ke first time apa yang baru ya iba Hima Sangkyang binang cupai di kani ka program kani tang mata jong fi ki kena school ki ba ya pass ba ha kini exam prepare nga kemen subun ba kani ka first time jangi ka state and Npyf Sslc bingile ini program I congrats ya baro ka team jongal ki ba dalang hangni bani panya ini program kadi ka program ka ba kongsan tamingi mata kasngi ngangi scam ba license name man usnem inle gini ki program ki prepare na mata kajing pas ba ki kena ha ki babun ki exam jong ki te nga pedang subalang ya boro ki media ki team ki Shillong City Npyf barakat bangila ya penkre ini program nadu matala dan si penai